Let us revisit one of the best malls to visit in the city as the COVID-related restrictions are eased up. Today we're visiting the Venice Grand Canal Mall located at the Upper McKinley in Taguig City. I have visited this mall before the pandemic, so for today, we will just see if there are any changes, attractions, or activities. Upon entering, you'll have to go through basic security check and follow the basic health protocols. That means you'll have to wear your face mask and face shield inside the mall. Aside from the shops and restaurants that you can also find in other malls, the biggest attraction here is the Grand Canal. As the name suggests, the Grand Canal is inspired by the Venice Grand Canal in Italy. Before the pandemic, you can actually ride the gondolas for a fee. But now, one of the main attractions is the Philippines' first and only float-in cinema. If you prefer alfresco dining with a view, you will have many options here. There are also plants along the canal. Instagrammers, foodies, and those who like the holidays would appreciate this place. As early as October, they already have numerous Christmas decorations. Aside from the indoor Grand Canal, another main attraction in this mall is the Venice Piazza. I believe that this is inspired by the Piazza San Marco in Venice. Just outside the Venice Piazza, you will find a weekend street market. It is pet-friendly and has several food choices. If you don't like eating on the street or in any of the restaurants, you can also dine in at the food hall if you are already fully vaccinated. But for us, we chose to dine in at a local restaurant. It is best to visit the mall in the afternoon or early evening to see the lights. Thanks for watching and travel safely!